For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Listen to the story. Title: The Whispering Willow. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled among hills and green forests, there was a magnificent willow tree. This willow, known as the Whispering Willow, was not like any ordinary tree. Legend has it that she has the ability to communicate with those who approach her with a pure heart. Among the villagers, there was a little girl named Alara. She was curious and adventurous, and had a heart full of kindness. Alara had heard tales of the Whispering Willow since she was a child and longed to experience its mysterious presence for herself. One sunny afternoon, Alara decided to venture into the forest to search for the legendary tree. With every step she took, the forest seemed to come alive around her, the leaves whispering secrets and the birds singing enchanting melodies. Guided by an inexplicable sense of astonishment, she soon found herself standing before the towering figure of the Whispering Willow. As she approached, the willow branches gently swayed in the breeze, as if welcoming her. With a trembling hand, Alara reached out and touched the rough bark of the tree. Immediately, she felt a warm sensation spreading through her body, and a soft voice whispered in her ear. "Hello, my child, what brings you to me?" Overwhelmed with emotion, Alara found herself pouring out her hopes, fears, and dreams onto the wise old tree. She talked about her longing for adventure, her desire to make a difference in the world, and her fear of the unknown. And with every word she spoke, the Whispering Willow listened intently, offering words of wisdom and guidance in return. For hours, Alara sat under the Whispering Willow branches, lost in conversation with her new friend. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, she realized she had found something truly special. From that day on, Alara visited the Whispering Willow whenever she needed guidance or solace. Although she eventually traveled far beyond the borders of her village, the memory of the time she spent under the ancient tree remained etched in her heart forever. Question and answer. Questions. 1. What is the context of the story? Answer. The story takes place in a strange village surrounded by hills and green forests. 2. What makes the willow tree in the story unique? Answer. The willow tree, known as the Whispering Willow, has the ability to communicate with those who approach it with a pure heart. 3. Description of Alara. What are its characteristics? Answer. Alara is described as a curious, adventurous, and kind-hearted little girl. 4. What attracts Alara to search for the Whispering Willow? Answer. Alara is drawn to searching for the Whispering Willow because she has heard tales of its mysterious existence since she was a child and longs to experience it for herself. 5. How does Alara feel when she finally meets the Whispering Willow? Answer. Alara feels emotional when she meets the Whispering Willow and pours out her hopes, fears, and dreams onto the wise old tree. 6. What does Alara gain from the time she spends with the Whispering Willow? Answer. From her time with the Whispering Willow, Alara gained wisdom, guidance, and solace. The memory of the time she spent under the old tree remains forever etched in her heart.